I want to talk a little bit about copying and pasting content and images into Gmail, because this is really something that differs depending on the browser you're using. I found that Internet Explorer is the worst for trying to copy and paste content, and that Chrome is the best. So let me just show you some examples of copying and pasting content. So if you just want to go ahead and compose a new message and maybe copy some content from a website, so I'm on the lynda.com website, I'm going to take some of this content and I will just highlight it, press Control C, and I will copy it into the body of my email. Now it does retain the formatting, and it also includes links. So this is now a link here. So this would take me to whatever link was attached to that little post here. So this is a great way of just copying and pasting and keeping your format. Now, it might not support all of the format, but it will support most HTML fonts and styles. So if you're copying from one web page to another, the formatting will usually be retained. Now, when you're copying from Microsoft Office or word processing a desktop application to Gmail, the formatting does not always stay, and that's because that's a different type of code that's not using HTML. When you create an Excel document or a Word document, you're not using HTML, you're using the Microsoft Office language, and so copying and pasting does not always retain the format. One thing you could try is saving your document or your Excel spreadsheet as an HTML file, then copying and pasting. So let's talk about copying and pasting images. Works really well in Chrome. If you want to copy an image, this is an image here. When I right click it, I say I've got some image options like copying the image URL or just copying the image. I'll go ahead and copy the image. Then I'll come into my email, press Control V, and it pastes the image. And now I can even make changes to this image. Well, I can make it small or medium or large, or I can remove it. I have not found that copying images and pasting them work as well in Firefox or Internet Explorer. It's kind of hit or miss. So if you do a lot of copying and pasting of content, try using Chrome.